Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to take a look at how we can go about using Hydra to brute force a password. For this lab demonstration I will be using one virtual install of Kali Linux and one virtual install of Metasploitable 2. Please ensure that both devices have their networking configured for NAT network. Ensure that you log on to your Metasploitable 2 installation and do an ifconfig to learn the IP address that is currently assigned to that machine. Now to get this lab started, let's just go up here to the application launcher in my Kali Linux, and in the search bar we're going to type in Hydra. And from the number of selections that we have, let's use the Hydra-GTK. For the single target IP address, type in the IP address that is assigned to your Metasploitable 2. My IP address is 10.0.2.11. Your IP address will differ. Down here for the port, you're going to type in 5900 5900. Now for the protocol, pull down the list and scroll down to the bottom until you come to VNC. Now click on the password tab, and we're going to be using a protocol that does not require a username. So make sure you check that box. Now for the password, we're going to be using a password list. So select that radio button, then over here in the field where we can input that password list, we're going to click it. And on the next screen, we're going to click on File System. Scroll to the bottom until you come to the USR directory. Double click it. And on the next window, click on the Share directory. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom until you come to Word List. Under Word List, you're going to open up the Metasploit directory. From here, you're going to scroll on down until you come to VNC_passwords.txt. Go ahead and double click it. And now we have a word list that Hydra can use to brute force the password for our VNC service that is running on our Metasploitable 2. Next we click on the tuning tab. Here we're going to change the number 16 to 4. And we're going to check the options to exit after first round pair. That is to say that once it discovers the password for VNC, it'll stop looking. And check the next one for the same option globally. Nothing to do under the proxy settings except to ensure that the radio button to use no proxy is selected. The last tab we have to concern ourselves with is the Start tab. Go ahead and open that up. And down here at the bottom, go ahead and click on Start. Using the word list that we provided for Hydra, it was quickly able to discern the password that was being used by VNC over on our target machine, Metasploitable 2. So now that we have the password for VNC running on our Metasploitable 2 machine, let's open up a terminal. And at the prompt, you can type in VNC viewer space the IP address that is assigned to your Metasploitable 2 machine. My IP address is 10.0.2.11. Once you have that done, just go ahead and hit enter. You will be prompted for the password. The password that was discovered by Hydra is the password we're going to use. In this case, the password is password. Notice that you will not see the password being typed in. Once you have the password typed in correctly, go ahead and hit enter. And immediately you're presented with the remote desktop for your Metasploitable 2 machine. Now, since Metasploitable 2 is a headless server, we're presented with the shell that is currently running on Metasploitable 2. And so that concludes a short video presentation on how we go about using Hydra to brute force a password. Got any questions? Got any concerns? Don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor. And I'll see you in my next video.